My name is Molly. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fire starter of things you have around the house. First, you spread the Vaseline on the napkin. It doesn't have to be everywhere because it will leak when you put it in the tube and you put it in a plastic bag. It will soak through. Next, we put this dry lint on in the paper towel. We roll it up very, 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 very tight. You want to make sure it's tight, and we put it in the tube. And then we take some Vaseline and we put it on this. You can make 2 of these and put them in a little plastic baggie and put them in your backpack and use it as a fire starter. You just scrape it and it will catch on fire really, really, really quick. You can cut these up. You'll take scissors and you can cut them up, and it will into little sections, and you can probably make about 2 or 3, 2 or 4, and put them in a plastic baggie. And these will catch on fire even in the rain because it's very, very, very flammable. It will burn for about 1 minute, even in the rain.